Open is an oxygen mask used to deliver flows from 1 to 15 litres per minute and flush. It can be used in institutional and transport settings where oxygen masks are also used. It is also compatible with passive humidification devices such as non-heated bubble humidifiers. The AirLife Open oxygen mask consists of 1. The mask, 2. Head strap, 3. Oxygen tubing, and 4. Protective packaging. Please also note the tag on the oxygen tubing. This identifies approximate FiO2 percentages at various flow rates. It also has a QR code that can be scanned to direct you to the VIA website that will contain all related materials to the AirLife Open oxygen mask, such as the IFU and instructional videos. There are 7 easy steps to using AirLife Open. 1. Select the appropriate size according to the table. 2. Remove the device from protective packaging. 3. Inspect for signs of damage. Do not use if damage is apparent. 4. Securely connect the universal oxygen connector to an oxygen source with flow meter. 5. Adjust oxygen flow rate as indicated by the clinical condition of the patient. Utilize the chart attached to the tubing to determine the oxygen concentration delivered at the selected flow rate. 6. Place the mask on the patient's face and position the elastic strap around the back of the patient's head, as shown in the video. Avoid placing the strap directly onto the patient's ears. Adjust the strap tension for proper fit and secure the strap end with the hook and loop tab. 7. Replace the mask if soiled.